Keep watching Kaman How for more.
Bulaki tumne tumbir kazi ambor nyemte heavy. Kaman How. Bulaki nyevenya adanka yetum la 247. Kaman How.
It's another blessed day from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on KFTV Abonong segment so on free music tagline katika titizam binsharan biane general entertainment day to akate yeah and Zuma is our mother sister from north whether you like it or not. From north, but could be south. My left my deviation, I cannot teach you. Come as one thing young. Then to year and come because these are arrests. Oh, guarantee the cup problem. And me couldn't say she'll come. Even if you arrest me, she'll come and bail me. So don't say she'll can you viewer if you are new to our channel, take a subscribe anytime to drop your content. I am Pala. Then you're but small apologies about Zoom. Tian Changla semi Serbia, so Tian direct mission. Tian to your English beer, a young Dagbani and Gwyneth Dare, Jerry 3 culture. So I think John to Mama Santo on my show. Welcome, HAJIA.
Thank you.
We are happy to have you in our studios.
Happy to be with you tonight.
Wow. I wish I could speak Hausa, like this. That is what I have used to express myself more.
Oh, right.
You just have to manage my small English that okay. So we just go straight to the purpose why we are here because there's no time. HAJIA, you've been in the KFTV studio. The purpose of you here, we start with who is HAJIA. We've seen you in South. Especially, my interest is where you used to write. I don't even think of like there will be a day I'll meet HAJIA police like this. So, just summarize this for us. Who is HAJIA police? Like the description, that's HAJIA police. I believe that's not your name. Yeah. You have a name. Okay, so who is HAJIA police?
Assalamu alaikum, our cherished viewers, and thank you so much. Okay. This is KFTV, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, I thank you so much. And then I thank our viewers and listeners all over the world for accepting me. I will say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu wa ridwanuhu ta'ala alaikum. Alhamdulillah kasiran. Rabbi ishri sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. والصلاة والسلام على محمد حاتم النبيين وإمام المرسلين مولانا خليل الله محمد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. But HAJIA police is Saada Abu Bakr Siddiq or Saada Aminia. I'm born and bred in Boku town, Boku, my small London. Wherever you are watching me, I plead with you to say a word of prayer for peace to prevail in Oku and then northern region, and then Israel, Palestinian issue, and then whatever that there is any problems there, we pray, we ask Subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless us with peace. Yeah, I grew up in that Boku town, attended English and Arabic school, Aminia. That's where I was named after Aminia, Sa'an Aminia. Because I used to be very active in singing, dancing, reciting of the Quran, reciting the tradition of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which is the Hadith, of course. From there, I attended Ashar Islam, from there to Boku Secondary School, and then I did some courses like RSS State 3 Diploma in Business Studies, and I jumped to Islamic University, and I have first degree religious studies, and then I have LLB, and then I have Masters in Peace and Security.
HAJIA police is not that. It's not just the HAJIA police. You said RSA 3. That was what?
Those days, the courses in this business courses.
It was RSA.
Yeah.
Okay, then that maybe we were not even born. Okay, HAJIA. Coming to the reason why we're here, like entertainment,
right.
we'll still come to the police side. How long have you been in
In the music industry.
I know you said you started singing back in school, but
Yeah, that's 3 years.
Active industry.
3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
3 years, that short period, you've already been all over Ghana. How is it
Anyway, I
possible?
don't know, maybe by your prayers.
Eh.
Yeah. You know, there's nothing prayers can do.
Okay, we see you like mostly what men can do, women can do better. How do you do it? Riding motor and like the way you even does it more than some of the men.
Actually, with the riding, I wouldn't say it's my experience or my smartness.
Yeah.
If you look at the way I started riding, I would give thanks to God.
Wow.
Because I started riding at the age of 7 years.
7 years.
7 years. I could move a motorbike,
Wow.
move a bicycle.
Wow.
Yes. You know, those days we do have mobilite motorbikes. I see that these days they modify it and then they put some small engine attached to the crank of a bicycle.
Wow.
And then the paddle, and then they put some choke all the way to where the steer is.
Yeah.
Yes. Those days it used to be a full motorbike.
Wow.
Yeah. So I started with that. And then I thank God. God is guiding me. And then I also don't joke with prayers.
Wow.
You know, wherever you are listening to me, whatever you're doing, without prayers, my sister, my brother, you will be down.
Wow.
The prayers will lead you, will guide you, will protect you. Like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that Al-Uni astajib lakum. It means go to God, ask Him. Make sure you are holding up to your prayers seriously. That is where you succeed. You see all this writing, I didn't learn it. Let me put it down. No. I grew up with my dad, and my dad used to rent a bicycle.
Okay.
Used to be, you know, those days you take a bike,
Like
the right time when you come here. So I was closer to my dad then.
Wow.
Through that, I pushed the bike in and I pushed the bike out. So I started using the paddle.
Okay.
Yes, then the paddle, then I get to sloping. Then I slow to where they say the free end. So I'll push the bike back.
Yeah.
So one day my dad just put me on the bike and pushed me. Yes, go. And he warned me, if you don't know and you fall down, you see what I'll do to you.
Wow.
Yep. So I took that Takashi, I said, oh, I won't fall down for my dad to beat me. I have to make sure that. So I have to go with the free like that. And I realized that already he taught me how to paddle.
Wow.
In the way. So when the free ends, I try to apply what he taught me. So I try to paddle down, and I realized that the crank roll the paddle, the right one, to come up. Then I paddle it again front, and the same crank and the chain roll the second one.
Okay.
Oh, that's why I'm
That's
to do it. Right.
Okay, HAJIA. The name HAJIA Police.
Right.
Is it just a showbiz name, or like is there a fan of getting the chance to ride a police motorbike, or you are really a police officer?
I'm a police officer.
Wow.
Enlisted into the service as a rider or a bike, and I'm a police.
Wow.
Yes, and then the HAJIA police came when I was doing in the investigative department. So policewoman, we're looking for policewoman, HAJIA no, then gradually HAJIA police just came. So the name actually was in existence long time before even I jumped into the industry.
Okay.
So they used to call me HAJIA police long time
before you became this. Okay, HAJIA. Like coming to the upcoming youth, do you advise ladies growing up to enter into your service like a police officer, or do you train someone? Like for me, I'll say this is my first time of we having a lady or a woman as a police rider this active. So I don't know whether you have someone or they've like assigned you to train some people, maybe in case you retire.
You see, this is your question. I would say within my own capacity, I have ladies that I do train
Wow.
for at least bikers.
Okay.
But I'll be very happy that if I'm now of the service, I should get a lot of ladies playing more than HAJIA police role.
Okay.
You understand? I shouldn't go on pension and the name and the riding skills and our modern ladies riding wouldn't be found in the system.
Wow.
I don't want the name to die like that.
Okay.
I want at least all the ladies listening to me that they can ride. There's no harm in trying. Anytime there's enlistment, they should pick up the phone,
Okay.
feel it, and let's see what God will do. So that they come in and help me. I don't want to be alone.
Yeah.
You understand? I wouldn't be happy. Why? We have riders, we have non-ness who are riders. Together we performed the 2015 and 2016 display at the Independence Square. But some of them, you wouldn't hear of them. They are quiet and that kind of thing. And you know, riding has its own, how do I even call it, complications. When you are riding with the siren and you are following the siren, the drivers or the road users, they are attentive. But if you are riding on your own, sometimes you need to be extra careful. Yes, because the siren will pave way for you. If you're riding your own bike, I have my own bikes. I like riding.
Okay.
So I used to buy bikes.
Okay.
So, and I ride anytime I feel like riding. And some of them don't have that. So they are only waiting to ride the police bike, or if there is an occasion that they come back and then we start the riding. But since childhood, I've been riding. I ride from Boku to Accra to Boku.
Wow.
I've been doing that with my own bike.
Then we have to organize a marathon or what they
Yeah, that is it.
This training marathon.
Yeah, I said I'll be going. I'll be coming to Vice.
Wow.
Very soon.
Wow,
I'm planning.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm only asking for permission from my commanders, and then I'll start.
Okay.
You know, everything is set.
Okay. So before we come into the music,
And then you said something
yeah.
about ladies who are.
Yeah.
I'm encouraging all the ladies wherever you are.
Yes.
Look, this security work, gone are those days that they will tell you that when you join the security service, you will lose your reputation, you will lose your religion, you will lose your parents, or you lose your respect. It's no longer like that. Security service is a work, it's a religious work. I mean, service to mankind is service to God. So don't forget, wherever you are, if you have the chance, don't say no. And our mothers and fathers listening to us everywhere, when a girl child is trying to, please help her. I look at my issue, for example. When I was a kid, I started riding. People all over Boku town, they were saying that, hey, why should a girl child ride? Why do you give her a bicycle to be riding? She will spoil. She wouldn't be able to give birth.
Wow.
A whole lot of things. But my father said, no. He continued. Yes, I've given birth.
Wow.
Nothing happens to me. And inshallah today, almost all the ladies in Boku town, they have motorbike. So if I had stopped then, what would they have seen to encourage them to continue? Now motor is a means of transportation everywhere. So if they had denied me those days, what would have happened to these younger ones? Are you getting me? So wherever you are, if your girl child, our fathers, please encourage us. Let us do. Because a girl child, a woman, a lady would do what 100 men. She can single-handle what men, about 100 of what men can do. So she will educate a lot of people if you educate her. So please, gone are those days that they say, this is a woman. Well, no. Now, we are not challenging men. No, man is a man. No, you must give that respect to him. This is an outstanding figure. He's a man, all right. All that men, they just need a respect. The rest, leave it to us. You understand? So ladies, wherever you are, please don't leave HAJIA police alone. Come and join me. Motor riding is not any dangerous thing.
Yeah.
You have to pray. You have to be of sound mind. You don't have to let anything bother you. You have to be free-flowing. You can ride from here to Mecca and go and
Wow.
Inshallah.
Okay, that's still idea. Police for us. Before the question I was going to ask, I've gotten some points from your presentation. What of like sorry, like Africa or the way we see you service people like soldier, police, and other things. So in Africa or our tradition, a lady is always under a man. So like my wife being a police officer or a soldier, how am I going to survive this relationship? Because any small thing, because you are an officer or you are a policeman,
you are making the biggest mistake in this world. Yes.
Okay.
Disabuse your mind, totally off that. You see,
the way police officers and soldiers, the way they discipline us.
See, when they love you, they love you.
Okay.
And they are the best if you get them to love you. I'm telling you. They protect you, they protect your everything. Everything is protected.
Okay.
They give you the love that you never get it.
So can I be commanding like example HAJIA come when do this thing, wash like a police officer?
Why not? They do it to me. I'm under a man who does that. Look, let me tell you a story I don't want to mention anywhere.
Wow.
But I'll mention it here to you.
Wow.
Ever since I started interview, I've never mentioned it.
Wow.
See me, HAJIA police, very rigid and whatever. Could you believe my husband would bring his wife from abroad and ask me to serve her?
Wow.
And I'll do that till they go. They all go back.
Wow.
Yes, I'll do that. Cook for her.
Oh.
I mean, imagine when you are in the kitchen cooking. The white lady would like to see what you're cooking and how you cook it.
Okay.
And she cannot flow with you. She has to call your husband to come and be explaining one or two things.
Okay.
And you know how they are.
Okay.
So in the course of explaining, she'll be kissing him. What do you do? You want to satisfy your husband. Because that's what he asks you to do. You know our Jannatul Firdaus is under your feet.
Yeah.
We believe what the Quran says.
Yes.
So we don't joke with it. We go marry.
But
No, I did that and I'm sitting here. Up to now, the woman doesn't even know the relationship that I have with my husband.
wow.
Yes. I'm doing
You
it.
tolerate it.
I cook for her,
So,
go and dress bed. Me,
so
dress bed for them.
So when you are
Inshallah, because that's what my husband wants me to do. And according to him, it will help him get documents. It will help him get a lot of things.
wow.
I want him to get it.
Okay.
So what's wrong? Why wouldn't I do it?
So if you are a wife, you play the role of a wife. If you are a police.
Seriously.
Wow.
And your husband, you only need to get a loving and understanding husband.
Okay.
Who knows that this is the time my husband is at work. You see, anybody who talks to her is either a suspect or a complainant or a witness or a friend. You understand? You shouldn't be the type that anybody talks to his wife, then he'll be suspecting.
Okay.
That one, he may be hurting himself and hurting you. You understand? But if you get a service woman, a security woman, a police woman to love you, my brother, you are gone.
Wow.
Because that is the easiest way.
Wow.
You control us more than what you are thinking. Because what we cannot do, you are seeing it. Other ladies that you think, oh, this is the Alhamdulillah with no, you like that.
Wow.
We are free and we are so understanding.
Wow.
All that we need is your support. Know that, okay, you are behind your wife. She should do this. Look at Fire.
Yeah.
Okay? You see how the husband supported her?
Yeah.
Yes. We came in as police women to support her. But they don't even see us.
Yeah.
But the soldiers are all over.
Yeah.
That means he has what is more than love and understanding. See, for her. And then he studied her and he's realized that no, my wife is a hardworking woman. But she obeys me so much. She listens to me. She takes instruction from me. I'm a police commander, but yes sir. I do.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I salute. If they say sit, I sit.
Wow.
If they say go, I go. You understand? So with that one, don't just have any fears.
Wow.
We'll take care of you, take care of everything, the thing, the what. Oh, you get no problem.
Interesting story for HAJIA.
Oh, yeah, that is it.
Okay, now we want to move into the movie, the music industry.
Yes.
But let me make this question for you. Like looking at female or that's female artists in Ghana. Like you see them, like I don't know if I can mention some names like Kaki, and it's like they come into the scene. At some point, they will stop. So you say you are just 3 years in the system and looking at how all over the nation everybody is talking about you. What advice or what do you think these are the lapses that made them like they will not reach where they were planned to and they stop?
Okay. You see, this is industry sometimes is too frustrating.
Okay.
If you don't have the zeal, you don't have the courage, somewhere along the line you drop.
Okay.
But I'm encouraging all the ladies, to put up extra effort on this. Because some people will start thinking, how do you call it? They will grow with it. But some of us, we were rather growing than we pick it up. Even though it's in our blood, but this is the time we're coming out. But we are not giving up. How much more you, the younger ones, that you think it's the end for you? One thing you have to understand, don't expect people to come and help you in this industry. No. You can sing like what? Indian Manu. Yes. Don't expect. You can be beauty. Don't expect people to come and help you. No. Try helping yourself. Talk to yourself. Yes, sir. You understand? Conscientize your mind a lot. This is what I want to do. All that I'm just asking for is the prayers, because that is what is going to lead you, guide you, protect you, and take you to where you are not even expected. So those who are falling and they decide to be lying, waiting for someone to give them hand to wake up, you are making a mistake. When you fall, you spring up. You fall 10 times, you spring up. I used to fall and then I spring myself like spring. You know bicycle spring?
Yeah.
That's how I kick myself. Then I'm on my feet again. Okay. So why do you why are you waiting for? If he doesn't do it, so what? So he promised to help you to promote your song. He promised to do that, he didn't do. So what is wrong with that? Does that mean you should damp your spirit? Never. Promote yourself. Happy yourself. You see, I don't know. I'm the type. I don't know. I can fight with you right now. In the next 2 minutes, I've forgotten that I fought with you. Okay. If you don't frown your face, I'll come talking to you. Okay. If you frown and say that I remember, I'm tired of Kura and Gama. You understand? If you don't learn to make yourself happy, who are you expecting to make yourself happy? It's a business you jump into. You see, and it's a talent God has given you. We have a lot of ladies who are older than I, and they have the talent to sing, but they feel shy. Why? They think somebody will talk about them, or somebody will say no. No, it's a God gift. You must use it for God to be happy. That's it alone. Wow. You thank God and God will make you bigger and give you more. But you have the talent God gives you, not somebody, Then you say because people will talk and then no, I don't believe in that. Come out and do what you can do. If you're able to do something and make someone happy, or make someone laugh even one day, you yourself, how would your spirit say? I remember I did some small TikTok video, and then I was somewhere and some old ladies were looking at it. They were laughing. I was standing there. I came to buy something. They were laughing. They were saying, this police woman, this HAJIA police. I was standing by them. I was happy. Okay. You understand? I was happy after buying the thing. I dashed them money. Wow. They couldn't even recognize me, but I was happy. I just look at it and say, no. I was happy because there was this one where secondary school. Then we sent our genius. We used to have Azoka Dam, where we grow these tomatoes. It's just a backyard garden. So we sent our genius to go. And there was this junior who was serving me directly. She's called Mariam. She came back that the tomatoes when they were just this small, and I asked her to buy bigger ones, fresh ones. So she came, Sister Sada, when we went to the dam to buy the tomatoes, all the tomatoes were children. So I didn't bought it. Can you imagine? Children. I laughed, we all laughed. So I put it in my TikTok page. Wow. All ladies, big men, big women. And I was happy. It makes me happy at least to put smile on this old lady's face. You see, so that is it. So if you have it, why do you hide it? Okay. Are you the owner? No. Did you give yourself that thing? No. God gives you, so you have to.
Right. So that talent.
Yeah.
Alright, that's HAJIA Police is still on the cruise. We'll go for a commercial break, but before that, my last question, so that when we come back from the break, we'll talk strictly music. Being a police officer and a musician, the merging of these two difficulties about it. How do you manage to serve all for musician, police?
There is nothing difficult if you are determined. Yes. We do have a roster, a duty roster. That guide us where to go, how to work and come back. So at the end of the day, you close for the police. So after closing, then you go and do other things. Because you can't just go close and go and sleep. There are other things you have to take care of. But it's just that you don't relent one for the other. If you are doing the police work, even police work, you cannot stop it. Because you assume police work on bed. Everywhere you are working. You close and you're going and there's someone committing an offense or something is happening. And you are a uniform person. How many people applaud you for you closing and you are going your way without minding them? They will rather rain insults on you. They will report you. Because you are in uniform and whatever. Even if they know you, the area as a police, and something is happening, they rush to you. So we work everywhere. But sometimes when you are free, you go, you arrange yourself and do your own thing. Because you have to start doing something because you cannot do the policing forever. There will be time you have to stop.
So HAJIA, please, one more question.
Nice.
Very short answer I need from you.
How short?
Do women, like police officers, if you are a lady, do you people to go for like peacekeeping?
A lot. Yes, a lot. Let me tell you something. Peacekeeping is not about war, taking gun, chasing, trying to arrest. No. Policing in general, there's transformation. It's not about giddy, catch, no. You are hanging a weapon. No, it's not like that. Policing is about the absence of the offense committed. Your presence should be able to tell criminal that what you are doing, there's a uniform woman here, don't do it. And it stops. That is all about policing. It is not that today you come and open police station here, new police station, and tomorrow someone will come with report case. This man steal my this man beat me. Tomorrow next, this one will come. Then it's even useless. You opening the police station here for people to say, I think KFTV has opened a police station here. And let us stop this our criminal act.
Wow.
That is best for you.
Wow.
So women go for peacekeeping. Their appearance, sometimes the way they look cute, sometimes the way they talk to you, sometimes the approach, it softens a lot of people's hearts. That they don't even commit the offense. They decide to stop.
This is I promise you, this is my last question about
I
promise.
KFC for you.
I promise.
Anyway, you make it KFC, so all
Okay, HAJIA. From your experience, like assume, or if a service lady is not married yet, like what are the difficulties of getting like a man to marry or getting married? Like someone said, because you are already a married woman, like assuming we have a police officer, she's not married yet. Don't you think that approaching men and like men will fear her because of her uniform or her service?
No, I don't think so. We have men who are peer pressured. They don't even like any women by the police or by the uniform women. We have men like that. And it's for you, the lady, to soften yourself. You understand? Some women, after passing out, they think the whole world is, you see, their palm. It's not like that. And these days, before even a policewoman would go for training, some of them, they have their loved ones already. So after training, they get married. But there has never been any difficulties unless the lady doesn't want to marry. Because you look beautiful, you look cute, you look admiring, you look protective. The man loves you. They love you, they come forward. So as long as when they come, you don't hide. Why not? A man will surely approach you. And to a woman, A woman there is a woman, no matter what. Can you stay like that and say because of a policewoman you be a body before you?
Okay. As usual, Abdul Basit Kulichire is the name with HAJIA police. We go for short commercial. When we come back, we continue. Commander of Russia to go and jump to Vokwam Kalamna, Tilama 10 yella HAJIA, Yila on the music industry, and on my upcoming album showing release and a whole lot of things about our music career. Ten Lamna.
Come on, how? Will I can never Adanka ye to Mla 247? Come on, how? Will I can never Adanka ye to Mla 247? Come on.
I know you that Abdul Basit Kulichire, HAJIA police in Balama, that would be on KFTV, and your music career and on your police officer. Got to media, I took a love that to Mawasa, and got to know about what by the time I even I waited 30 minutes, Margaret, but until Kerry, so HAJIA about your music career. You said it's been 3 years now. So 3 years, how many tracks like have you been able to produce so far?
Okay, I have an album during the Corona, and then I'm coming out with my second album. Which is a 15 track. 15 tracks. Wow. So, but about music videos, do you have how many music videos? I can't count it here right now. Okay. I think I have quite a number.
Okay, so we want to see the music part of HAJIA police. So HAJIA, please, if you mind, I just want you to do something for me without beats.
Freestyle?
Freestyle, this is your Kaman. I just want something. I want to feel, I want to show the music part of HAJIA. I like one of your these things. What was the name? The one you have with is it Kwame? Your
medical.
No. What was it? Is it Bubi Salah or something?
Yeah, Bubi Salah. That's the one with the Kwame.
Yeah. But you say you have another one with medical.
Yeah.
HAJIA, let us just feel the music part of it.
Okufuji funyamye eradi kamasamamyu minko yasimako minfaye yasimafa. Oh my God, kamasamamyu koti misrawa enchimi winu mi hunye so manjibi yeah, me pass so by the day. Hey, HAJIA police in team my guy. First name she say so my guy. Say we practice so mommy.
Normally, Tamti so can normally, can I take by cabin? No, I'll accept this defeat. So I also want
so you want to okay. I have this new one that I think I've released that one. It's just a single. So I'm yet to do the video.
I like one song about it. It's like Zikri or something.
It's like Zikri.
That's why.
I did one for like Ramadan.
Thank you.
Mubarak.
Yeah, the Ramadan one.
Okay,
the Ramadan one.
Ramadan is coming. You know all my music is Hausa, Moshi, Kusazi, Busaga, Moshi, Dagbani, English. I do blend all. But with the Ramadan, I did it just to educate our youth that the Ramadan is very, very important. If God has given you 7 days free, at least give Allah to 2 days. Fast for 2 days. Don't wait till the month of Ramadan. Because Allah is telling us that Ramadan is His. As-sawmuli wa ana ajizi bihi. That Allah likes Ramadan so much. And He knows the kind of reward He gives to His servants. That is why I came out with Ramadan. Ramadan il-Karim, Ramadan il-Karim, Ramadan il-Mubarak, marhaban bika ya shahr Ramadan. As-sawmuli wa ana ajizi bihi. Idan ka yi sallah lada gare ka, idan ka fidda zakka lada gare ka, Amma in kai azumi Allah wai na shi ne. In kai azumi azumi na Allah. Watan azumi ba watan kwana bane. Goma na karshen azumi ba daren baki. Lailatul qadar hayrun min alf shahr. Lailatul qadar hayrun min alf shahr. As-salatu hayrun min an-nawm. As-salatu hayrun min an-nawm.
Hey, yeah, that was what I was expecting you to say. So, okay, I don't remember that thing.
I did the rap, you did your own. So I did this one to come out with your own.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
That's tomorrow we are coming here.
Tomorrow I also come out with my. I've forgotten the.
But sometimes I do one for Muslims and I do one for my secular and other Muslims who feel secular vibes. Sometimes, if you trust someone, love don't cost a dime. If the right thing you do, why you go hit a line? Somebody will you do like this? Somebody will you do like this? Somebody will you do like this? Abba, oh, we need shoot. Somebody will you do Gurgusa? Do. Somebody will you do like this? Do like that? Oh, we need who say go there? Then you respond. Who say go there? Say who say go there?
Who say go there?
Who say go there?
Who say go there?
Who send you there?
Who say go there?
Who go hop ahead here?
Opinion.
Shoot.
We are enjoying the idea for this.
That's it.
Okay, the album you are saying you are going to release. You said it's 15.
Yeah, it's 15 tracks.
So have you already released the title?
Yeah, this one that I just said. No, that one is coming soon.
Okay.
This opinion
Yeah,
that I mentioned.
that's a new one coming.
I felt bad one time and I wrote some small lyrics.
Wow.
That one too is suicide.
Okay.
I'm losing my mind, but I'm fixing myself, oh yeah. I choose who to love. The way I do it, it'll be your business. Me yamadi, me say I'm found, me yamadi, me say I'm found.
I like the way you switch your voice. I like the way you
You know, every makaranta growing child can do that.
Yeah, the way we
because of Kira.
Yeah.
When you start, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. You see?
Wow.
Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Yasin wal Qur'anil hakim. Innaka laminal mursalin. So every great makaranta child would surely, if only the person is into music, should be able to swing. Right.
So then that's why that's what Fancy Gadame is using to beat our intelligence.
Yeah. If only he's a makaranta. Yeah, that is it.
You know where he also comes from. He comes from HAJIA's family.
Okay. Yo, the hips is there.
So I don't know about this Ramadan song.
Yeah.
Is it an annual this thing that you do every Ramadan you play?
Yeah, I try to do that because I have a new one that one is Al-Wakat. Al-Wakatu hadiran, Al-Wakatu hadiran. Ramadan. Ramadan, month of peace, month of prayers, month of forgiveness. Then I'm a piano again. Boom, 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 boom. Al-Wakatu hadiran, Al-Wakatu hadiran.
So you are an idea of the genre. You follow the trend anyway.
No, I have an Afro-Islamic genre because I realized that the music that I came into the industry with, I don't have any competitor or somebody who sings like Arabic, picking hadith. I don't have it. So I came up with my own so that the Ghana music industry will sympathize with us and give us a.
And I can feel that, like, looking at the way you are doing, it's like you are an overall, like you are in all sectors. You can speak, sing in Twi, Hausa, English, Moshi.
No, I said reggae. I don't know. I can do all. I don't just understand. Yes, I just want to keep to The secular one and the Islamic one.
Oh.
If not, whatever sector you put me, reggae I can do, rapper I can do, whatever.
Since like excuse me, they will say that, oh, I'm big Kwame Beauty and Nigeria is coming to. So how was it possible?
It was very easy. You know, you give respect when you command respect.
Okay.
You don't go because I service.
It's not even
manager.
Yeah. Okay. So generally, what do you want to add up to this interview to spice up so that it's like the time?
The time. Thank you so much.
Right.
In fact, you've done well.
Yeah.
And this time around, I want to talk about road traffic.
Okay.
Road traffic is something that is killing us. The road traffic management or road users, let me put it that way. Please. Always, we are all road users. You can be a driver today, a passenger tomorrow, a pedestrian tomorrow next. You see? So we should learn one thing. This white thing that we see in the middle of the road is called zebra crossing. And we have accident and we have murder. If you knock someone on that zebra crossing, it's no more accident too. Yes, because you can't just, if somebody step, please brake. Whether you are riding a motorbike or bicycle or driving, immediately someone step on that line, you don't have to drive them. Sometimes we threaten them, they have to run away. No, they have right of way. So let's see how we handle people crossing. When you are sitting in a car today, tomorrow you can be in a Land Cruiser 10 times. Tomorrow you park the Land Cruiser, you cross the road to buy something. Don't forget, you become a pedestrian. Yes. So let us, be mindful how we use our road. As a driver, you wake up in the morning, you are angry, you come and sit here and spark in your car. No, you must be sound mind. Take everything off. Pray. Before you spark your car, have time, let the engine, warm the engine well, and put everything behind you. Then you move. And those making overtaking by the right. Why? If you don't like you don't want to enjoy life, please, HAJIA police loves you. So this overtaking by the right is killing, please. Give traffic to your left. Everybody coming from your left has a right of way. So that's why it's like this. You see, you're going like this and another person coming. So as he's coming and you are going, you observe your left because he's coming from your left. And you coming here too. That person here is also coming from your left. So you observe and let him go and then you go. So when you leave your lane and you are coming to his right, please, you should know that you are going to cause an accident. And those riding the yellow things because it's too small, you can swing and meander in between the rows. Please, we have brake failure. Don't forget. Anything can happen. So sometimes you spot a car far away and you think it's yellow or it's Okada or it's small 3 tires. Let me just this is my taxi here. Oh, this a small taxi in the blue car. Then you try to no, it's wrong. We have brake failure. You can apply, a driver can apply the brake, and then if you now he's struggling to stop the car, and you are also approaching this lane. You can imagine what will happen to you. So motorbike is very important. It's a means of transportation, but let's see how we ride it. Let us be mindful. Let's follow the road sign. Road sign is one. If you follow it, you can drive in America. You can ride in America. But if you try to neglect it, you cannot go anywhere. You just remain within your community and be sustaining injury every day left and right. So I thank you so much. Please.
Okay, HAJIA, please, a minute for youth in Tamale.
Okay.
Tamale is now a drug addict city, one of the drug addict cities. You as a police officer, what advice do you have for us with the youth?
In fact, this thing has become a big problem. see what you will take, and within seconds, you even forget your name. Ask yourself, is this something that I should take? You are your name. You can easily forget your name for taking that thing. Are you okay? In the first place, look at the family you are even coming from. A very respectable family. Number two, they born you out of religious, how do you call it, body. And that religion, the book, the Quran, the Hadith, and Bible, they are all against a particular thing. Why should you continue to do? What should you do it? You do it. You are punished by God. You are punished by your conscience. You are punished by the law. You disturb your parents. It's not a good thing to do. And you know the trick is, if you don't have money to buy, your colleagues who are into it, they always give it to you free. So be very, very mindful. When someone is giving you this thing free, don't take it. Because he will make sure that he will feed you with it free, until you yourself, you will sit down and you crave for it. Then he will show you where to go and buy. And when it gets to that level, that is your end. So be very, very mindful. A friend will tell you, oh, today I have a sleepless night. In fact, this small girl worried me. My girlfriend, she disturbed me. I don't even know what to do. I couldn't sleep for 3 days. The advice your friend will give you is that, oh, I have some medicine. If you take it, you sleep and forget about it. Yeah. Watch out for that medicine. Which medicine is it? Is he a doctor? No, it's not a doctor. Is he a nurse? No. Is he a pharmacy? What medicine would your friend give you that would take it? If you take it, you can forget about the girl. That is the beginning. That medicine, you wouldn't know what is it. My sister, my brother, my daughter, wherever you are listening to me. That medicine is Tramol. That medicine is codeine. That medicine is cocaine. That medicine is Indian hemp. That medicine is, don't try it. Because truly, when he gives you that medicine, you sleep. Sleep and forget about whatever worries you have. But remember, the next day, you see that you'll be looking for that medicine. Because that medicine makes you sleep. That medicine is causing damage to your brain. The next day, you go for the medicine. He will be ready to give it to you free that time. So immediately you take it free, and then you sleep 3 times. Oh, you think it's a medicine. So that's drugs. So by the time you say Jack, my brother or my sister, you are into it so much so that they are talking cry you wouldn't even hear. So don't let us go there. Any friend who is ready to give you medicine for free, ask him whether he's a doctor. Maybe if you take the medicine, go to pharmacy and find out what medicine is. And nobody can give you anything to sleep and forget about your worry. You yourself drink a lot of water, pray, you sleep, and you forget about the worry. Don't accept any medicine or whatever from a friend because he wants you to forget about it, or he wants you to be able to go and face a lady whom you want to rap. So you say, I have medicine for you. If you take that medicine, you can go and tell her everything. True, you go and tell her everything, but you destroy yourself. The lady, the next 2 times you approach her, she will not like you. So, my brothers and sisters, let us say no to drugs. It will help us. Please go subscribe to HAJIA Police YouTube, HAJIA Police Instagram and Twitter, HAJIA Police Thread, HAJIA Police TikTok, HAJIA Police Official or HAJIA Police 1. My account has been deleted from TikTok, but I started again, so please follow me for more advice. Follow who no road. Wow. I think KFTV no road, but HAJIA Police they direct.
HAJIA Police for you on social media on one handle. I could tell you man this up. HAJIA Police. Can follow you anytime HAJIA Police you drop your contents on all the social media platforms man. And HAJIA Police cut me no kuti feel on KFTV on Aflin Music tagline segments on Balamazmo TLS segments select drink them sand down upon the banto to it and mostly on Dagbani ma non ko kana shamba ma on ya bang ka ke non polo kan non de kare de viel pam Abdul Basit ko chire ni akola as always them from my lecturer sama ko chon tibira non bana Yusuf Abu Turuzo on your producer so to my offset Dallas the Pabondi Basit mbama oda urmaneka anekala program mazaha takandama ena zanki ngoka punko ko ipera jumla no solo no solo kartunga ma ka joro bezalete enta so na kuto bago anyela new to our channel think and subscribe ka the bell anytime you drop out some contents like this anyela by nyara puna kan tira I mean HAJIA police in Shinjongo Abdul Basit Kuchire as always. Keep watching, Kaman how for more.
Wulaki tumne tumber kazi ambor nyente heavy. Kaman how. Wulaki nyevenya adanka ye tumla 247.
Kaman how for more.
Wulaki tumne tumber kazi ambor nyente heavy. Kaman how. Wulaki nyevenya adanka ye tumla 247.